Changing the oil on a 4-stroke outboard. Tipping the engine up sloshes the oil away from the drain plug before its removal. There is a fitting and a tube made for draining the oil conveniently. Tipping the engine down allows the oil to exit freely. Don't forget to remove, inspect, and replace the crushed washer. Loosen and remove the oil filter. Coat the new filter gasket with fresh oil, then tighten 1/2 to 3/4 of a turn after the surfaces mate. Hand tighten only. This engine takes 5 quarts. The level should be about 2/3 the way up between the two dipstick marks. Start the engine, inspect for leaks, and you're all done.